4-bike rack fits vehicles with a 2-inch trailer hitch only. Vehicle will require professionally installed Class 3 or IV 2 inches hitch to use this product. 22-inch long carry arms individually secure bicycles with Allen's patented tie-down system. Folding carry arms quickly drop out of the way when rack is not in use. Minor assembly required. Rack sets up and installs in less than 5 minutes. Included no wobble bolt secures rack inside of receiver hitch with a movement-free installation. Allen's warranty does not cover items purchased through third-party sellers. Top reviews from the United States. Thule equivalent not worth the extra money, I have both. I own the $250 Thule rack, similar to this one. We needed a second rack, so I took a chance on this after reading reviews. The Thule is better made, but the extra beef isn't really necessary. Sometimes overbuilt really isn't necessary. This rack is lighter and folds flat for storage, both advantages. There is one issue with this rack noted on a number of reviews. The pin for the hitch that comes with this is about 9/16 and a standard 5/8 hitch pin won't work. For $10 you can get this Harbor Freight Step Drill Bit Set item number 60379. In about 3 minutes drill out the hole in this rack to 5/8 and any standard hitch pin will work. That is what I did. And you have a set of step drills for all sorts of projects around the house, especially if you have to drill sheet metal duct, electrical, plastic whatever. Another issue with this bike rack is it's a little sloppy in the receiver, but a couple of wraps of electrical tape solved that one. Issue number 3, have 4-3/8 flat washers to put under the bolt heads and nuts to avoid scarring the powder coat during assembly. No washers included. The one feature that exists on both the Thule and this rack is the hinge pin near the bottom that lets you rotate your bikes away from the vehicle to open a hatch door. While it takes 2 people to rotate the bikes back up and put the pin back in, this is a valuable feature. In summary, a great value for the money.